In the heart of the Arabian Peninsula lies a city of immense historical and religious significance, a city that has been a beacon for the faithful for centuries. This is Makkah, also known as Mecca, the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, the destination of the annual Hajj pilgrimage, and the site where the divine revelations of the Quran descended. Its story is not just a collection of historical events, but a tapestry interwoven with faith, struggle, and devotion. Let's delve into the fascinating history of Makkah. Known also as Mecca, Makkah has an intriguing tale to tell, one that stretches back long before the birth of Islam. This city, nestled in the Arabian Peninsula, was already a bustling hub of trade and a significant religious center. Ancient texts, including the Bible, make mention of it, referring to it as Bakka. As we move forward to the pre-Islamic period, Makkah's prominence continues. The Arabian tribes saw Makkah as a focal point, with the Kaaba, a cube-like structure at the heart of the sacred mosque or Masjid al-Haram, serving as a place of worship and pilgrimage. Yet despite its sanctity, Makkah was riddled with tribal rivalries and discord. Then the early 6th century brought a pivotal event, the birth of Prophet Muhammad, the final prophet in Islam. Born in Makkah in the year 570 CE, he received the first revelations of the Quran in the cave of Hira near Makkah in 610 CE. However, Makkah proved hostile to Prophet Muhammad and his teachings of monotheism, which challenged the prevalent polytheistic beliefs. The growing opposition led to the Prophet's migration to Yathrib, later known as Medina, in 622 CE. This journey, known as the Hijra, marked the start of the Islamic calendar. After years of conflict, Prophet Muhammad returned to Makkah in 630 CE, backed by a swelling number of followers. The city surrendered peacefully, and the Prophet cleansed the Kaaba of its idols, reinstating it as the center of monotheistic worship. Makkah's story didn't end with the Prophet's death in 632 CE. It continued to flourish as a religious and trading hub under the stewardship of caliphs and Muslim leaders who expanded and embellished the sacred mosque. Fast forward to the Ottoman period, Makkah fell under the rule of the Ottoman Empire, which undertook various construction projects, including the restoration of the Kaaba and the expansion of the mosque complex. The 20th century brought a new chapter, the establishment of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 1932 brought Makkah and Medina under its control. The Saudi government has since enacted numerous expansion and modernization projects to accommodate the ever-increasing number of pilgrims visiting Makkah for the annual Hajj pilgrimage and Umrah. Today, Makkah stands tall as one of the holiest cities in Islam, its history deeply woven into the fabric of the religion. Each year, it welcomes millions of Muslims from around the globe who come for pilgrimage and worship, a testament to its enduring significance and reverence. So we've journeyed through Makkah's history, from its early days as a trading and religious hub, to its pivotal role in the birth and spread of Islam and its modern-day status as a revered pilgrimage site. Makkah's story is a testament to its enduring relevance and the central role it plays in the lives of Muslims worldwide.